If you're looking for something super cute for the holidays, these lanyards and wristlet straps are exactly them. So it comes with a pack of 20. So you get 10 of the around the neck with this little hook here. This is great for keys, ID badges, whistles, anything. You can even kind of attach like cameras, even phones if your phone had like a little string to it. Hook is very easy to open, as you can see, like that. So you would just grab the little latch, and as you can see, we'll just add on some keys. So it makes it nice and simple, and it's really great because you can obviously put it around your neck like this. If someone needed to borrow your keys, I think the cool part is instead of having to take this off, you've got this great little clip here, and you can just pull that off and go ahead and give your keys to someone. Or you can even, if you wanted to, just throw them in your purse like this instead of removing it off of that strap every single day. So obviously, depending on what you want to do, you have all those options. Tons of different little themes here, which is really cute. As mentioned, these ones are the Christmas ones, but they do come with lots of other different themes, so you can check those out. And these ones here are for the wrist. So again, just like a regular key ring, you would go ahead and attach that like that. And you have this like this, and it's great. You can put it around your wrist. You can attach this onto your bag. If you have a little hook inside your bag, you can attach it there. Makes it nice and simple to always locate your keys, whistle, ID badge, everything that I mentioned before. So super fun, super cute, and these would make really great gifts as well, and just a great way to get into the holiday spirit.